Okay, so we just called 911, and apparently others have called and they're sending fire rescue to this boat. I don't know if you can see the flames. Holy smokes.
Show them where it is, right by the Galloping Goose.
Monday, April 10th, my friends. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. I hope there's nobody inside. That's awful. And this is where we are.
Wow,
this is right behind our building. Oh my goodness. No. Oh. Oh my God.
Dog.
Oh my goodness, babe. Look, there's a man right there. Oh man.
Oh my God, get him out. Ooh.
There's other boats in the area that are trying to help him. Hurry up, fire rescue. Let's go. Where are they? Oh. Where's Beans, babe?
He's okay.
Wow, this is a sad day.
No, I hope everybody got out okay. That's the only concern I have right now.
Look at this guy whipping around like that.
Just making sure everybody got off.
Wow, look at the smoke.
Get that.
Oh, I hear it. Do you hear it?
Yeah, get that other boat away. That's what they need to do. Oh.
But if it's docked and if it's like anchored in the water, what are they going to do? Oh, look, 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 babe. There's people on like paddle boats there. I don't know if maybe they helped. Oh, goodness. Wow, did you hear that?
Get out of there now, he's saying it's gonna explode.
Oh my God, no!
Oh my God, it's gonna explode. Because I think it just probably the engine just caught. Holy shit, you're gonna hear an explosion.
Do you hear the flames, babe?
Just keep recording because that's why everybody is swimming away.
Get this boat, I don't know, circling the area. Oh my goodness.
But everybody cleared out.
Oh, thank God. That's horrible. How did that happen, you think? Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's real funny, guys.
They're bored on the island.
Do you hear the fire engines?
Beans.
Those guys are a bunch of asses.
It's okay.
Let it burn. I'll punch you.
Get your video proper. Don't worry about that. Edit that out.
Wow, look at this.
First boat burning that we've seen.
Oh, but you can hear the fire engines coming.
Everybody, don't worry about her. Everybody cleared out. Look at the color of the smoke. It's changing.
Babe, it's black.
Yeah, it's gonna explode. I hope it doesn't, but that usually signifies engine block.
Wow.
Why is that guy going back on his little fucking dinghy?
I don't know.
Because he's a dinghy. Well, babe, this is good on your channel, for
Here.
sure.
Wow, eh?
You could record how long it took the fire trucks to get here.
It's been 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Sorry. Wow. Wow, look at this. Look at the smoke, where it reached.
Stop worrying about her. I got my eye on her.
Here come the firemen, here come the firemen. Oh wow, did you hear that? Oh, that's so sad.
The guy on the side.
Oh my God, what is happening? I can't zoom in that much.
He's trying to. He's on the other boat. He's trying to get his boat off.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, the blue one.
Oh my god, that is so dangerous.
Jesus, dude, get out of there.
Okay, where is he now? Okay, but where is he now?
He's still on the blue boat. Oh, it's actually moving. He's moving it off.
Babe, here.
Yeah, he's moving it away slowly. That's bold, buddy. Wow.
5 minutes and 30 seconds. Look at everybody gathered on the Galloping Goose Trail there. Just stopped.
Yeah, I know, because it wasn't like this 5 minutes.
Nope. What about, you know, like it hasn't reached the fuel tank yet. I'm really scared about that.
Well, interesting enough, I've never seen a fire in real life in Toronto. I've been here, I've seen two here.
Right?
One in a boat, one in a house. Easy. Wow, okay, so he didn't even bother to start his boat. He just got it pushed aside.
Well,
Are they
that's...
rowing it away? Is that what he did?
I don't know.
That guy's moving out. Okay, thank God.
Here.
There's nobody that
Take this, I don't want
got
it.
stuck on the boat.
Wow. Beans. What's happening, Beans? What's happening? It's a fire. I know. Right? I know. What's going on? Beans. Beans. Babe.
Beans, no. Come here. She's looking at the rock. It's okay, go to the rock.
Wow.
I think maybe she smells water.
Look at this, eh? Where are they gonna come from? Oh my god, babe. They're coming on the water. This is like a Hawaii 5-0 right now. Holy cow.
Okay,
look at this. It's coming from under the bridge. OMG. This is very exciting. Hurry, guys. It's been 7 minutes already.
7 minutes to get there. And the boat is practically completely burnt, almost except for the front end. They should, yeah, they're worried about the dock, I think, burning as well.
Oh, wow. And then the trees. Oh, my God. Hurry up.
I don't think it'll get that far, but...
There they come. Here they come.
They got a hose on board?
Look at that. Here they come. Here they come. Here they
I've
come.
never seen this ever. This is awesome. I wish
That's
I
like the
brought
Coast Guard,
I
babe. It's
regret not
awesome.
bringing my camera down here. I was like, what are we going to get
Oh,
down
my
the water?
goodness.
They're over there, too. Fire trucks.
Where? I don't see
They're
them.
parked up there. The
Oh,
closest
yeah, you're
spot.
right. I see them.
They're actually down by the water.
Look at this.
Down
Look
by
at
the
this.
marina. Beansy.
Look at this. That's crazy. I see the firemen,
Yeah, what are they going to do?
the water patrolmen.
There you go, guys. It's all
I don't know if they're gonna, how close they're gonna get to the boat.
They're going to make sure that it doesn't... good girl. Good girl.
Right behind this yellow boat.
There goes the hose. That's what I was waiting for. That's awesome.
There we go.
That's awesome.
Awesome.
And here comes the...
Yes.
That's neat.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Down here when we did. Look at that shit. I was like,
Thank you, Ocean Patrolmen.
Ocean Patrol.
I don't know, who are they?
Victoria Patrol.
The West Coast Guard.
Right? I don't know who that
The Coast Guard. Look at this. This is wicked.
waves coming up.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Yay.
One boat. One boat.
Yeah, it was the Coast Guard.
Look at these reacting to the water.
I know. Look at the waves, how they're coming in. It's nuts. Beans, what's happening? I know, right?
Hey, baby.
It's like a miniature tsunami. What is happening? Look at that. Yay. Yay. Thank you, Coast Guard.
Sure hope his
Oh
boat's
my
okay.
goodness.
Sorry.
Well, I'm sure he has insurance.
I hope so. Hope there's insurance. So like,
Look at the hoses. They're
can't get
going
the
everywhere.
hoses under control. Control the hose.
Oh my God. Wow.
Did you get all this? That's awesome.
I got 10 minutes.
10 minutes. All right. What are we gonna title this? Boat on fire,
House-
like the
house-
obvious.
boathouse on fire.
Boathouse on fire.
You're funny, babe. And look, there's more guys that came.
Vancouver Island is hot.
Who is that? That guy with the lights.
I don't know. That might be the head police.
Head police. You
Head
never
police.
know. Look at this.
Here comes the tour that wasn't expecting
That's
this kind of tour.
crazy.
And we're just gonna get
Right?
the coastline and the Galloping Goose, and we spotted this guy barbecuing some Franks, and well, one of the Franks got a little out of control. And well, what you see here is just a kind of a renegade sausage. She's excited. She loves this.
Look at all the people over there. Is that a dog over there? I'm not sure. Wow. Well, I hope no one got hurt.
Maybe we
and-
always have something exciting that starts our day. It's wicked.
Thank God. Yeah, they have to douse it because, like, you never
There's
know.
nothing there. It was a
So
boat,
glad it
now
didn't
it's like-
explode. Like, there's
Me too. I
houses
don't
that are
see
right over
how.
there
I don't
too.
see how it didn't, because it's just like, look what's left.
And
of
that other boat was saved wherever it
Ah.
went.
it.
Yeah,
Bastard.
it's okay. They have insurance.
Got our hoses under control. Hosers. What are you doing? Right between your legs is hilarious.
Wow.
Hey, baby girl. Hey.
Crazy. This is going to make it on Czech's news.
You think?
Yep,
Probably right.
Vancouver Island
You should
News.
send us
I think
in.
I'm
Probably
just
got
my...
the- You're probably the only one who got the entire videos from start to finish.
Holy smokes. Look at the hose. Wow. They'd have to edit it though. Okay, wait, did you see that? There was some fire right there.
Really?
Oh,
I see it.
yeah.
Yeah, the dock caught fire.
Oh my goodness, look.
Yeah, the dock caught fire.
Look at that, look at that.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
no, no. Hey. Hey. Get your ass back here. Come here. Hey.
Go.
Come here. Come on. Go. Come on. Come on.
Why does a bug have to bug me right now?
Why does a bug have
I don't know. What is that? A wasp?
Why does a bug have to bug me?
Yeah, now they're dousing the... Wow, eh? Look at them get so... Look at that.
Well, they have to make sure it's out. They're moving the burnt boat, right? And now they're dousing all the way around, make sure the entire marina is... Because that was floating in the middle of the water, you remember? It wasn't attached. It sucks. How you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
Pretty good. Is that your boat?
No, I know almost everybody out here, and I looked out my window when I got home and went, what the hell's going on,
Yeah.
man?
Fuck.
It was all black. It must have been just before the fire guys got there.
Yeah, well, we caught it like right as it was starting, and there was like a little fire, is it even a barbecue? You couldn't tell. But it was obviously a fire. Surprised they kind of hard to boat. Know much about it?
Not the ones out here won't.
Yeah.
None of them got gas in them.
Okay.
Oh, thank
There's
goodness.
very few, like that little red one.
Yeah.
That one's mobile. The little red and yellow one.
Okay.
That's a mobile boat.
Mm-hmm.
All the other ones are pretty much stationary.
All the rest of them are pretty much stationary.
Shit.
People just live on them. Right?
Like houseboats. Neato.
Like the yellow one that's real close to us.
Right.
That sort of belongs to me and a friend, and we just go out there and paddle out there and drink.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
All right.
That's just our like